Hello guys, and welcome back to another helpful tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to send a gift card through email, using your device in a very simple and easy way. If you want to surprise someone with a gift or send digital money instantly, then this guide is going to help you a lot. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and search for the app if needed. After opening it, you will see your profile in the top right corner. Tap on it. On this page, you will find the option that says Send Gift Cards Through Email. Simply tap on it. Then type the recipient's email address. Enter your name and write a personal message. After that, choose the amount you want to send. In the bottom right corner, you also get the option to schedule the gift card for later. And that's it for today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tutorials like this. See you in the next video!